Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be changing the cabin air filter for the air conditioner in this 2018 Sequoia. If you've ever been at the dealership and they're trying to charge you $100–150 to do this, you can do it yourself. It literally takes about 5 minutes. You can use the OEM filter if you'd like. The ones I like to use are these by Spearhead. They're called Breathe Easy cabin filters. I like them because they have the activated charcoal layer in there as well that's supposed to catch stinky smells, things like that. I use this brand in pretty much every vehicle as long as they have it, and for every vehicle we've had for probably the last 10 years they've had filters for. I'll put the link down in the description for these. There's tons of other ones too. Let me show you where the filter is located in these. You want to open the glove box. Next, what you want to do is grab this tab right here and this tab right here, push them both in and pull that cover off. Now that you've got this lid off, this is your air filter right here. Grab the corner of it and just kind of wiggle until it comes loose and pull it out. And there you go. Let's pull this new one out of the bag. Double check, make sure they're the same dimensions. Obviously the same. This one's a little squished, and good Lord, it's really dirty. Look at all this nastiness in here. You'd be surprised how gross and dirty these things get. Look at all that dirt. Look, that's all the stuff in this filter that is holding back from you having to breathe it in the car. I've seen some way worse than this, but this one's definitely at the end of its usable life. So what we're gonna do is take this nice new one that has the infused activated charcoal in it as well. We're gonna take this one and put it in. Let's see, does it tell us which direction? It'll usually have an arrow. Oh, here it is. Airflow, that way. So airflow goes that way. Find the slot right there, line it up. There we go. Don't shove it or push it or anything. Just gently put it in there. I really like these too because if you notice it has that foam edge. Helps seal things up. And this guy, make sure the arrow says up, and we'll clip it back in. Push both sides, make sure it's clipped in. Now, get this guy, and you see it's got tabs on that side and tabs along the bottom. So what we're gonna do is kind of slide it behind here. There we go. Slide all those tabs in where they go, and then grab the top of it and just push it down. That's it, clipped in place. And if you've got a shelf there, put your shelf back. In my case, it's just the factory manual. Put it back, close it up, and boom, you've got fresh air for, call it another 6 months. If it were me, on my maintenance schedule, I would replace that at every oil change. And if you buy the one that I've got in the link in the description below, it doesn't cost you an arm and a leg. I think it's only about $9, $10 shipped. Let's go throw this ugly old one away, and we are all done. I hope you found this video helpful. I know it's a simple one, but if you haven't seen that cabin air filter replacement procedure before, maybe this is helpful for you. If you'd like to support the channel, all you gotta do is hit that like button below, and if you'd like to subscribe as well. In the meantime, I love you guys. I will see you next time.